Good afternoon, everybody. How's everybody going? How's it going today? Go do a little unboxing today. Just a little information of something that I ordered. I ordered this. It's a commercial grade can opener, what it is, and I ordered it through Amazon, and it actually comes from a company called Culinary Depot. I'm gonna do a little short unboxing video, just show you what it's like, how to use it, how to mount it. But I ordered this about a week ago, shipped it right out, so let's open it up. This may not be all that practical for your kitchen, but they're worth every dime of what you pay for them. These are really good can openers, and I've had one for a number of years, and it's just absolutely worn out. So let me get this box open. Put this up here on the table where we can see it. It's an Edlund can opener, and let's see, it's in multi-languages, but hey, it's a can opener. And model number 2. It's got a description here: Edlund can opener, a manual can opener, table style with plated steel base for standard number 10 cans up to 7 inches tall. It's called the Old Reliable, and these things work really good. I've used these all my life, and like I say, I have one now, and it's absolutely worn out, and it has opened a lot of cans. This model here, Edlund's, a little different than the one I've got, but it's going to be just fine. You know, it's probably a better grade can opener, and it's got the mounting plate there. Hopefully I won't have to replace this. I can just stick this part of the can opener down into the table that it's mounted on. So here you have it. This is a table base. You can mount this on the edge of a table here. Let's see, can you see it there? Probably not. But this is all there is to it. 3 screws to open a can. Let me see if I can adjust this camera a little bit here. Like I say, I'm going to try to make this real quick. You can mount it on the corner of the table like this. Open the top, raise it up, put your can in there, and hit down on it. Close this, and then turn it, and it'll open a tuna fish can. It'll open a gallon-sized can of tomatoes. But if you've never had one of these and you've got room in your kitchen for it, I highly recommend you try one. Edlund, made in the USA. Okay, the box has multi-language on it, but it's made in the USA. So there you have it. Little short video. Great can opener. And when you raise the handle on it where you operate it, the blade actually moves out slightly, so it makes it real easy to open these cans. Little short video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you need a can opener, you go to there's numerous places online where you can order these. So I ordered this through Amazon, but it comes from Culinary Depot out of Spring Valley, New York. And this, if I'm not mistaken, this was about shipped to the door about $88. You know, yeah, it's expensive, but you don't have to wrestle with it. These will open a can. You will love it, and hopefully you got room for it. If you got any questions about it, shoot me a private message, and I'll answer any questions I can. Edlund can opener, live at Big Al's Eats. Y'all get in where you fit in. Y'all have a nice day.